Hey, what's going on, everybody? Steve here with Rake and Profit, and I've got an exciting interview with my good friend Amanda with Flipping with Amanda. So I actually helped her to start her eBay to Amazon business. She grew to over 20K a month. I was her mentor, but now things have come full circle and I'm the mentee. I'm learning from her how to sell on Walmart. Well, in this video, we're going to interview her. We're going to talk about her journey, how she's growing, how she's close to hitting 10K a month on Walmart, and how she plans to hit over 20K a month by Q4. She said it, so let's get into this interview, and you're gonna wanna watch until the end. Hey, what's going on, everybody? I am joined with my friend Amanda, who, funny enough, she actually went through my eBay to Amazon masterclass, what, 2 years ago?
Yeah.
2 years ago.
Wow, yeah.
Started with no experience. She got started actually thrifting, and then she joined the eBay to Amazon, built your business up to 20K per month on Amazon, and now she's moved into Walmart. And that's what I want to talk about in this video. I want to talk about Amanda's journey, transitioning from, and I don't even know if the right word is transitioning, because you're still selling on Amazon, but you've added Walmart to the mix. And I think all of us could agree that Amazon's a great place to sell and make money, but it's dangerous lately.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, just last month, I got a Section 3 where my account was completely shut down and I didn't have my funds. I had FBA, disabled. Yeah. So I was super lucky and happy that I had Walmart to fall back on at that time.
I've seen it with multiple people thrifting, doing garage sales, eBay to Amazon. I mean, most of my students and people that I work with are safe, but again, I'd be lying if I told people like, oh, people aren't getting in trouble. Amazon's not giving away Section 3s. People aren't getting counterfeits. Like, it's happening. Like, I got a counterfeit recently. I got 2 in the last 2 months, and one of them was low impact. Actually, I had 3. It was on products that weren't even counterfeit. They were products I've sold a million times. I got them removed. My account's in good health, but it's kind of risky lately. And, there's ways to obviously prevent the risk. And I've made videos about this, but I think it would be foolish for all of us who are selling on Amazon to not diversify and put our eggs into multiple baskets, because right now Walmart, and maybe you could share some of the benefits of it, but I'm just starting my journey right now. But there's a lot of benefits to selling on Walmart. So why should anyone who's selling on Amazon even listen to this interview right now? Like, why should folks sell on Walmart? What are the benefits over Amazon?
Well, first off is there's a lot less competitors. There's a lot less sellers. Walmart is so much opportunity right now. It's like the wild, wild west as compared to like Amazon, like 15 years ago. We don't have categories that are restricted or gated. We just have products like the normal products like that you find on Amazon that are gated, but we don't have categories that are restricted or gated, which is amazing opportunity, and less sellers. There are less than 200,000 sellers as compared to Amazon, where it's 3.2 million active sellers.
And what does that mean when there's less sellers? Do items sell for more money and more profit or less?
More. Yeah. I tend to say they sell more, and you have less competitors. There's no one really fighting for a little piece of it,
Yeah, and you told me, and I haven't sent out my first shipment yet, so I'm kind of like documenting my journey. If you've been watching my videos, I've been sharing like getting my account approved, getting my payment processor set up through Payoneer. But you told me on Walmart, there's none of those dreaded split shipments. You could throw everything in a box. You don't have to label it. FedEx will come and pick it up. Items sell for higher. You're not getting all these nasty IP complaints and Section 3s. There's less competition. I mean, these are all very, very attractive qualities. And I'm very interested. That's why I'm getting started.
Yeah, absolutely. And that is true. Normally, there's, no split shipments. They rotate between Texas or Kentucky or Atlanta, but they either go all to Texas or all to Atlanta. Because you don't have to split shipment, that is amazing. And Walmart doesn't have box contents. So you literally list everything and put them all into a box or however many boxes, and then you just do that. You just have shipment contents, not box content.
Yeah. So Amanda, she's been selling on Walmart since, correct me if I'm wrong, February of 2024.
Yes.
And she's a hair shy of $10,000 a month in sales. Like, you'll probably be there within the next 30 days.
Oh, 100%.
I could almost guarantee it. And you were telling me before, behind the scenes, matter of fact, no, you didn't tell me in person. I'm going through, so Amanda, she has a masterclass that she just launched that like walks everybody through the process, how to get started, how to list, how to ship, all the nuances. Walmart is pretty clunky, but you were telling me the fees are actually much less as well. And there's, at least at the time of this recording, are they doing some like discount or promotion on fees or something?
Yes. Walmart wants sellers, especially during Q4 coming up. So they put 50% off on all their referral fees. which a referral fee is just to be able to sell on their platform. It's that fee. So instead of the 15%, it's now 8%. So, and there are some categories where it's 4% now. And so that is a huge reason to get started today, because they're offering that. Like, I've never heard Amazon or any other platform giving you a discount to get started.
So a question that I had, I know the answer now, but I'm sure people who are watching are wondering, they're probably thinking like, okay, Walmart, that sounds cool, but I don't want to be prepping my items and picking them and packing them and doing merchant fulfilled. I know some of you guys probably do on Amazon. I don't. I'm 100% FBA. I just don't want to have the mess. I don't have the time. I'm running multiple businesses. Does Walmart have an equivalent to FBA?
Yes, they do. It is called WFS, Walmart Fulfillment Services. And it's exactly the same. You just pack it, ship it to the warehouse, and then they take care of it. Walmart deals with the returns and customer service. It is very, very similar.
And is it true? I heard this from a couple folks. People are just starting to talk about it because the WFS, right, Walmart Fulfillment Services, it's improving a lot. Like, they're getting better. Like the processes, the customer service, the catalog's getting built. There's more listings being built. Yeah. So have you found that to be true from like February, March, April, May, June, like up until now in September? Is it getting easier? Is it getting better?
It is. It's getting a lot easier, a lot better. They are building more warehouses. So they're going to have one in LA, which is going to be nice to have one on the West Coast. So that's kind of nice that they are building and improving and expanding with us as sellers.
That's cool. That's cool. What advice would you give to me? Because I just got my account approved. I got my payment processor approved. Like, we're at Books and Beyond event. We're in Las Vegas right now, if you're wondering. So we've got this event here. It's all about Amazon. When I get home, I'm going to send out. We talked about on Amanda's channel. Check out her channel. I'll link it out down below, Flipping with Amanda.
Yes.
She interviewed me. I'm interviewing her now. But what advice would you give to me now that I'm approved? You know my story. I'm doing over $700,000 a year, multiple six figures in profit, buying items from eBay to Amazon. Do you think I should, or how do I say it? I'll say it this way. Do you think that I could flip my items from eBay to Walmart? Do you think I can make that transition?
Absolutely. I think you totally could. The items that I would suggest you start flipping first are fast selling ones on Amazon, because the chances are, if it does well on Amazon, it does well on Walmart.
But what's fast selling on Amazon? Because most people think I'm selling super hot products. I'm not. Out of this, I have an average of $92 average selling price. I've sold over, I think, 7,600 in the last year. The average item that I'm flipping is high ticket, and it might only have 4, 7, 10, 15 sales a month. These aren't super fast selling. And the reason I'm selling these types of items is because I don't have invoices, right? And Amazon's really cracking down on it. So I want to stay under the radar. People always say, like, oh, you flip from eBay to Amazon, you're going to be gone in a week. Yes, if I flip really high risk items. I'm using IP Alert. I'm checking for Keepa drop-offs. I'm not selling with the brand on it. These are items that fly under the radar. So these items aren't selling like freaking,
thousands a month.
Yeah. So do you think those items are possible to flip?
I think so, because I would also look at how many reviews it has on Walmart.
Okay.
So I would say the more reviews it has on the Walmart listing, I would sell. If it has 0, I wouldn't even try. 1, I would test it. 1 review I would test. But I've sold many items with 1 review. But if it has 10 reviews on that item, I would definitely sell that.
Gotcha.
The more reviews, the better on Walmart.
Now, are there any tools like SellerAmp or Keepa for Walmart to be able to know if an item is profitable, not profitable, does it turn, does it sell? Can I see the price history, what it's been doing?
No, unfortunately, they don't. And I went to the Walmart Seller Summit 2 weeks ago in San Francisco, and they announced that they are satisfied with the current API that they are giving out. So they won't be having a Keepa or anything similar.
So you're not going to get all the software developers?
Future. Yeah, they're not going to give out any more information for those softwares. So,
well, that could actually pose an opportunity for us, because instead of having all the softwares and everything, people are always trying to automate everything and freaking make passive income. It's just the way it is. I just want to have a system and process. Would you say that it's clunky, the clunkiness and the inefficiencies and the lack of data and development, kind of gives you an advantage because most people are lazy and aren't going to do the work and test it out?
100%.
Not to be a negative Nancy, but yeah.
Because when when you're not able to list for 2 days, people tend to just give up and quit. But Walmart will fix it. They will, turn it around. Walmart does care about their sellers. That is really what I learned at the Walmart Seller Summit, was they care about us sellers and want to fix things.
Yeah.
And so I'm confident that, It is clunky, but it does get better. There's so much room for growth and opportunity, and they know that, and they're working with us.
How long is it going to take, Amanda, for you to get over 20K a month in sales and beat your Amazon sales? Like, where are you going to be? And when we do an update on my channel, because we do one like every 3 or 4 months, I feel like right now you're close to 10K. You'll probably be there in the next 30 days. Where are you going to be in 3 months, 6 months, a year from now? Like just put the intention out there. I'm curious, like based on what you see. Obviously, you have to spend money and invest, but when are you going to pass your Amazon sales?
I think I'm going to pass my Amazon sales in December.
Holy smokes!
I am really doubling down in Walmart. I love my Amazon, but Walmart's where it's at for me right now, and I'm still going to focus on Amazon, but I'm really going to put more towards Walmart.
Gotcha.
That's the opportunity.
That's exciting.
There. Yeah, the opportunity is there.
So we're actually getting ready to go out for a steak dinner soon.
Yeah.
So let's wrap things up. We're here in Vegas.
Absolutely.
Final question I would say is, what advice would you give to the folks who are listening who want to start? Like for me, I'm going through your master class. So Amanda, she has a Walmart flipping master class that walks you through step by step. I'm done with module 3, so I'm approved and set up. Now I'm going to be going on to 4 and 5, learning how to use Walmart fulfillment services, how to list, how to ship, how to deal with all that. But what advice would you give to folks who they're brand new? Maybe they're thinking about getting started. Like, should they go sign up for an account?
Just go apply. You have to have your EIN number, so business tax ID number. But just apply and see if you get accepted. And if you do, then you are ready to go.
Well, what if they don't have an LLC?
You can be a sole proprietor as well.
Oh, so you just have to get your business license. Okay.
Number. Yeah, it's a.
Oh, so that's good to know. You don't have to have incorporation or anything like that.
No,
okay.
Because I'm personally still a sole proprietor, so I was able to use that just fine. But just apply, because you never know, and you can have experience not just on Amazon, but you can have experience with eBay, Poshmark, Mercari, Shopify, any kind of selling platform.
Heck yeah.
Yeah, so that's kind of where it's at. I just want everyone to apply and just see where it goes.
Well, let's get after it, everybody.
Yeah.
I'll be sharing my journey. Thank you so much, Amanda, for coming on. Follow her on her YouTube channel, Flipping with Amanda.
Yes.
Check out her masterclass as well. I'm enjoying it so far, and I'll be sharing my updates. But with that being said, much love. Thanks for watching, everybody, and we'll see you in the next one.